Big move today up. It doesn't look big on the daily charts. It looks like a small bounce back, but the Nasdaq is up 3.5%, up 420. S&P up 2%. Profitable day, plus 6,600 on the 200K, plus 1,100 on the 50K. This brings us up on the week. I would just say pretty much around break even. Those are small numbers, so right around break even on the week. That was good because we struggled pretty much most of the week, and we had about 4 days of just chop. And today was a nice day, brought us back. It was a little bit choppy. Thought we might get a smooth blow-off trend. Let's look at the market internals. You can see here that was a big sell-off right here in the Nasdaq and S&P. Up here, we were at these highs. We were at brand new equity peaks on the portfolios, and so we got chopped up here. Some strategies were stopped out, some reversed to short, then reversed to long again. So up on the week, brought us back for the week, but down from equity peaks last Thursday. Last Thursday, we were up at equity peaks. Then on last Friday, we were down about 6K on the 200K portfolio, down about 1K on the 50K portfolio. And today we kind of break even on the week. So we're still a little bit off of equity peaks from last Thursday's highs. While we were at those equity peaks intraday until we got this volatility. I thought the Nasdaq might try to run for 12,500. I posted a video yesterday about flash crashes and limit moves, and I thought that if the market moves lower, below yesterday's low, so we might get some more of those based on the CVIX indicator. I've talked about the CVIX indicator. It was a cycle high that hadn't been there since the pandemic or the financial crisis. So. But we also had a VIX divergence, and the VIX really popped. You see the VIX is trending down. The Nasdaq and S&P were down 2 days in a row. The VIX was down 3 days in a row, and so we were due potentially for a pop based on VIX divergence. Jay Powell gave some bearish comments. We had consumer confidence that was below expectations, and so bad news became good news today. There was more determined buyers than sellers, so we got a pop, and we took advantage of this. This is why we like short-term trading. This is why we like algo trading. We're not stuck to a long side or a short side. We are typically a little more bearish here. I think the market has further to go down the downside, but the market doesn't go straight up or straight down, and it has these bounces, and we were able to take advantage of that, take some nice long trades, some of our biggest long trades that we've seen in a while. 7 Nasdaq strategies were long at the same time, and so if this market had kept going, it would have been a huge day. If it had run to 12.5 or 12.6 without this pullback, it would have been a huge day. So you trade for those days, and sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't, and you get days like today, which are still good days. So AT 2022 held on for the day, good trade. EVP1 down on the day. Gap continuation got stopped out these lows. Gap continuation, one of my favorite strategies, has been challenging this week. It keeps getting stopped out at these reversal points. It's one of the strategies that's fighting with the market. We're fighting with, see, it's short trade right here, stopped out right before the downturn. Same thing here. Long trade stopped out. So it's not a gap continuation kind of a week for this strategy. Would have had to have bigger stop losses. 2019 was that way. 2022, same trade basically on 2022, stopped out also. A little bit tighter stop loss on gap continuation 22 than 2019. So we just needed a bigger stop loss or a better entry point. Tick reversal, nice trading. Back to equity peaks in tick reversal. Let's take a look here. Brand new equity peaks in tick reversal, one of our top strategies. And we had tick pulse capturing the trade on the day, tick pullback capturing the trade. This is the aggressive version. The conservative version stopped out, getting in too close to the highs. SR counter trend 2 shorted it. Had a little short trade at the open. Cobra 2022 overnight stopped out. Cobra 3 2022 1 minute hit its profit target. Nice trade there. And so we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 strategies trading today. And so, like I said, 7 of them were long at the same time, and so we could have had a pretty big day had this continued in a straight up path. And 11 strategies. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 that were losers. And so we were 7 for 11 on the Nasdaq, 7 winning strategies and 4 losing strategies on the Nasdaq. Let's look at the S&P trades on the day. Adaptive moving average up on the day. Cobra 3 up on the day, went 4 for 5 this week. 4 out of 5 trades on Cobra 3 were up this week. It has a small profit target. SR counter trend 2 tried to get short, was stopped out. The Nasdaq version was profitable. The S&P version was not. And so we were 2 out of 3 strategies on the S&P were profitable on the day. So good trading, good way to end the week. Takes patience. Like I said, tough week, Monday through Thursday. Came in on Friday, and it wasn't the smoothest of trends, but we were able to capture it with our strategies, and we like the opportunity to make money and potentially have the opportunity to make positive trades in both up and down markets with our trading systems in the stock index portfolio 25. And those are the final trades on the week for May the 13th, 2022.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.